Hello, I'm Richard and I collect retro computers, as you can see. So every now and then some friends will donate old childhood computers to the collection, and I've just received a box of stuff from a friend of mine I haven't opened yet. I'm very excited to look at what's inside, so I thought I'd do a quick unboxing video and share the excitement. So here we have the two boxes I've received from my friend. I already know what's in this one. Not so sure about this one. This one, despite being labelled baby toys, also has a label Dragon. And this is a Dragon 64. I've never used a Dragon 32 or 64. I'm not sure I've even touched one. So that's really exciting. This one is marked old computer stuff. And from what my friend says, I think this is mainly old PC stuff. Sort of DOS era possibly. That's less of my era. I'm more kind of 1980s, 8-bit, old school home computers, but I'll have a look through that and there might be some interesting things I want to keep. Otherwise I'll see if I can donate them to another collector. So let's start with this, the main thing, the Dragon. All in a nice wrapped up in plastic. Let's see what we've got. Well wrapped. Cup of tea is called for. Always have to have a cup of tea when I'm working with old electronics. Right, let's see. Yep, definitely a Dragon 64. Maybe slightly yellow, but not too bad really at all. Fairly nice keyboard, a little bit dusty. So what do we have? Supply transformer presumably, on, off, and a monitor. Or does it only have a monitor out rather than TV? Oh no, it's got TV out on the side. So TV and monitor out. Reset, joystick left and right, tape, SIO, serial input output, printer port with custom connector. And on this side, I'm led to believe it's a cartridge port. Serial number 12,890, so not very many made by the sounds of things. Very, very nice. So that's a TV, that looks like a standard RF TV lead. Oh, joystick, analog joystick, Radio Shack. I have a vague feeling that the Dragon was related to, possibly compatible to, the Tandy TMS-80 colour computer, but I need to do a bit of reading up on it really. I know very little about this machine, so it's going to be quite interesting learning. So two joysticks with DIN plugs, cool. And that's a power transformer. Dragon 32 AC adapter, presumably they're the same. A very odd connector there. That looks very homebrew. I wonder if this has been replaced at some point or whether that's just how they came from the factory. And I'm guessing that's a cassette lead. Yep, so we've got a cassette lead. Ah, cool. Got lots of cassette decks. Get rid of that. We have Introduction to Basic Programming using the Dragon. Cool. So this is basically, oh no, it's got some, so it's setting up the Dragon and using BASIC. And some memory maps and pin-outs. Good, cool. So it's looks like it's got some decent information in there. Right, so let's put the Dragon. Let's put that aside for a moment. Just get that RF lead. It looks like we don't have a monitor lead, so I'm going to have to use RF for it now, which is a little bit awkward as I don't really have a good analogue TV that will work on RF. I've got a black and white one that's quite good and a tiny colour one. What was else in there? A cartridge, All Dream, Grosvenor software. Oh, I don't know if that's a game, All Dream. Find out. And I'm guessing there's lots of software in this one. Oh! Now I wasn't expecting this. We've got a Sega Mega Drive 2. I'll have to get in touch with my friend, see if he really meant to give that to me. It may have just been because it was in the box, so I shall offer that back to him, but if not, I don't have one of those. I've got quite a few consoles, but I haven't got anything from by Sega, I don't think. What else have we got in here? So, these are all Sega Mega Drive cartridges, by the looks of things. Landstalker, Fantasia, Hard of Driving, The Lion King, and those are Mega Drive. I can't, 10 Gen. Can't read. Oh, there we go. Bleach Surfer Dude. Grondag. Don't know that one. Oh, that's Hard Driving, so that's there. Along with main adapter. There's Fantasia cartridge, some game pads, and Sonic the Hedgehog 2. I've never played a Sonic the Hedgehog game in my life, so that will be something to look forward to. Cool. Well, yes, I'll have to get in touch with my friend to see if that was intended to do that to me. Still quite exciting. What else have we got in here? Dragon 32 Dragon Companion. So that sounds like a third party book about the dragon. More detailed memory maps. Cartridge port pinouts. SAM control bit area. Ooh. Fascinating. That looks like a bit more low-level stuff for the firmware, which is cool. This looks like cassette software. Oh, that takes me back. Boot C15 computer cassette. Return of the Ring for the Dragon 32 and 64. Fantasy Fight. Multi-screen arcade adventure for the Dragon. Jet Set Willy Eat Your Heart Out. 26K of pure machine code action. Wow. And another cartridge, Meteoroids. I'm guessing that's like an Asteroids kind of clone. And a cassette box by the looks of things. Yeah. Ring of Darkness. Yep, Dragon 32. Some blank thing. That could be homebrew tapes. My friend said that he did his O-level computing project on this, and it was very old school. And I said, do you want me to give you a copy of that if I find it? And he said, well, maybe you should just burn it. But we'll see. That's another one. Wommel's Olympia. Ah, who knows? Tubeway Army. Dragon 32, 64 Tandy Colour 32. So that does suggest that it is compatible with the Tandy colour computer. Operation Saphras. Franklin's Tomb. And Syzygy 25 screen graphic adventure. Cool. They all look pretty good. And there's something. What is this? Just random paper? On the paper, it's been cut out into strange shapes, almost like a primary school art project or something like that. Oh, a few bits at the bottom. Merging programs, some various pokes, sort of like crib sheet for some interesting pokes. Oh, something for black and white TV. Does that change the colour palette to be better for black and white? Dragon quick reference guide. Oh, nice logo for the dragon. I haven't noticed that before. Cool. That seems to be like a basic reference guide. Cool, nice, very nice. And what are the other booklets? Information for machine code users. Nice. Oh, pin out of the monitor connection. That looks like it's just composite video, so that's fairly easy to sort out. Disk drives need a disk controller plugged into the cartridge port as well as disk unit, so that may be harder for me to get it connected onto any kind of USB disk drive system. I might investigate that. Oh, that's something completely different, a 386 system board manual. Grosvenor Software, All Dream. Oh, that's the cartridge we saw. Ah, yeah. Dragon 6809 editor, assembler and monitor. My friend did mention something about that. He thought he had a assembly language monitor program. Cool. So it's got in on-ROM assembly language programming. Right, so that's all the Dragon stuff. That's in the Dragon box. So let's see what's in the other box. So old computer stuff. One mystery bag. Full of cables and stuff. Oh golly. What we got here? Power extension lead. Big transformer. What's that for? Anything on there? Hewlett Packard. Lucent. Okay, so that's out for a laptop or something maybe. Other stuff. More power leads. We tend to call kettle leads, although they're not. IEC, is it? The official name? And so this looks like a maybe. Oh, I was going to say, oh yeah, it could be a 9-pin to 25-pin serial cable. It's got some pins missing on there. Actually, no, that's way more than 9-pin. I'm not quite sure what that layout is. There's two in here of different things. So this one, interesting layout. I'm not quite sure about that. I'm not very up on my serial leads and the like. So it may or may not be something like that. That's the power supply. The other end. Oh, it's just a fairly standard thing there. So that could be useful for something else. What voltage is it? 30 volts output. Yeah, probably won't find a use for that. So anything that uses that. And this one, oh, so that's Centronics parallel printer by the looks of things. So it's got kind of an edge connected style to a pin style. And then some telephone leads, I think. Yeah, these are just for connecting to your modem, I think. There's modem leads and a bit of elastic. Right, cables, here's some discs. High density discs. So I don't think, I can't remember. Yeah, they probably won't work on my 8-bit computers. I don't think the high density, was it just the quad density that doesn't work with the standard density? Okay, these are unmarked MI6, MI5, MI4, MI3, MI. I don't think they're from the British Security Services. That's A1. So they're just completely unmarked what they are. Don't even know what format, so I don't know how to check what's on them. I might have to just treat them as blank discs. And these are, these are those for putting over the right protect slot. And these look brand new. There's nothing written on them, so I'm guessing those are just blank brand new discs. Could be useful. Right. Oh, that's a 3.5-inch disc head cleaner, I think. Yeah, generally when I'm cleaning floppy drives, I take them apart and clean them myself. Oh, wow. Spellcasting 101, Sorcerers Get All the Girls. What? By the author of Levitt, Goddess of Phobos, Zork Zero and Planetfall. Well, I thought it was going to be really dire, but the author is is well regarded. IBM PC, most compatibles. Cool. So is that? I'm assuming that's a DOS game. But yes, that looks very cheesy and of its era. Best EGA graphics we've ever seen, says Computer Gaming World. Legend Entertainment will turn the adventure game market on its ear. Adventure game market on its ear? I haven't heard that phrase before. And yeah, all sorts of interesting things in there. Oh, somebody's been playing it because I've got stuff on the back of an envelope. lots and lots of discs. Yes, MS-DOS game. Cool. Might keep that, might try and pass that on. Little leaflet about all the other games in the series. Cool. Yes, that is special, that. What else we got? Oh, Citizen uses manual dot matrix printer 224. Right, so a manual to a dot matrix printer I don't have and have never seen. Not the most useful thing. Oh, a used checkbook. I will keep that hidden so I don't reveal the name of the person who sent that to me, but I shall check with him, probably shred that because he probably didn't mean that to be in there. What's this? HP labelled box. That looks like that might be, is that for storing a printer cartridge or something like that? Does look like it's got pads for kind of protecting a cartridge. Maybe you take it out so it doesn't dry up. Not terribly useful. Some blank paper. What looks like a whole load of fan-fold computer dot matrix printout. Tractor feed. I think it's all blank. That's a shame. If it had some printouts, that could be really interesting. I love old printouts. It's a peek into history. What else? Another phone type lead. More blank paper. An old biscuit wrapper, maybe. Cheesy favourites. Cheese flavoured biscuits. Right. Getting near the end now. Another cable. Space Shuttle VW1 low voltage computer cable. Doesn't actually say what it's for. And is it a box of matches? Yep, just a box of matches. Made in USSR. Wow, that's old. A cocktail stick and a few. Oh, this looks like a bit of. These are paintings. So again, they may not have been supposed to be in there. So I shall see if my friend wants those back. Tracy, cut your nails. Just a little reminder note. And more pictures. Again, I don't know whether they're supposed to be there. Oh, and that's about it. What's that final thing there? A 5p coin and a key to something random. I wonder if it fits that cassette box, whether that had a lock on it. But that's about it. So yeah, quite an interesting haul. A few things that might not have been supposed to be in there. But a lot of really cool stuff. Very little that I really need to get rid of. Cables can go in my box of useful stuff. We've got stuff for the Dragon. The Citizens manual, yeah, that is not useful to me. The DOS game, I haven't got anything to play it on. I might keep that. Not too sure about the 3.5-inch disc cleaner. Everything else pretty cool. Now I'll have to see if that Dragon works, won't I?